Hey guys, me Poppy Rain here, and today I'm doing another clean of me video because this room is friggin' trash. My boyfriend's at work. I need to reorganize my snack shelf. There's crap everywhere. I have to unpack my stuff because I stayed at my girlfriend's last night. Right now I currently have Simpsons. Sorry guys. On the TV on Disney Plus. And I'm in the process of going through, organizing my snack shelf, combining things, cleaning up all the random fucking garbage that my boyfriend has everywhere. Dresser and whatnot. So this he probably needs to keep. This is the protection plan. We got the controller. We have a USAA receipt, garbage. We have a receipt from a Uber card I bought him. We have an old Uber card. We have this garbage. We have he got a new Straight Talk phone. We have more random garbage. That's garbage. These bubbles can go out in the living room. That's nice. What else is up here? It doesn't need to be up here. We have he has a Straight Talk phone, so we have an old Straight Talk card. We have a receipt for Five Below, candy wrapper, a clean wipe, employee ID. I don't know if he needs that. We have Straight Talk, a Straight Talk booklet, and I don't know if he needs that service guide to his phone. So that's that cleaned up. Let's go over here and clean up. We're gonna clean up this shelf over here because it looks like shit. Yeah, there's too much stuff. Okay, let's see. What's in here? In here, we have a bunch of random ass candy. That's what that is. Here's more candy. We have a bag of, whoops, this foul. Sorry guys. Cauliflower, corn tortilla chips. We have some broken candy canes. We have some lollipops. We have a couple Russell Stover peppermints. We have peppermint bark. We have some Laffy Taffy. A bunch of lollipops. Do we have something smaller? I can put these in. My boyfriend has another pack of twin snakes. Okay, we have a big box of Ensure for son. We have another one of his things. We have water, which can go in the cat thing. Let me see if I have something smaller to put that in. That's taking up way too much room. My drinks are currently stored on the bottom area down here. We don't have a whole lot of room up top. My only drinks that are really up top are my one drink. There's a random logo that needs to come out. And I'm gonna go grab a couple bags, guys. Should I combine this crap? Because there's too much stuff. What? Go play. You have to ask your dad. Well, then if that's what he said, then that's what you're watching. Oh, goodness, guys. Sorry, my boyfriend's niece. Ew. I forgot there was a spot on my shirt. I was eating SpaghettiOs when I got home. I didn't want to go spend money on food and got SpaghettiOs on myself. So I'm going to try and put all this candy in a baggie here. So that's not in this big oatmeal box, taking up a huge chunk of room on my shelf. I might be able to fit it all in one bag. Not quite. Almost. What is this? My thing charge. My watch is mostly charged. There's just way too much stuff in this house. Well, in this room, specifically. Forgot I had the sound turned off on that because my boyfriend was sleeping. Okay. So here's all that. That can go out on the porch in the recycling bin. Let's see what else do we have up here. We have this almost gone thing of sesame sticks, which I can combine in another bag somewhere. I can probably combine it in this Teddy Graham bag. It really isn't Teddy Grahams. It's got baby snacks in it. My little baby snacks. Let me see. Yeah, this one's pretty well empty, so I think I'm going to try and combine these in here. Let's see. Okay. So that's all full. So I'm going to dump these in this container with my baby snacks. Aren't my baby puffs. Dump those in there. More garbage for a garbage bag. What else? We got 2 open bags of pretzels. That's good. Those can probably be put in there as well. To be honest. I just try and combine things that can go together. So that way I don't have like 6 bags. Things. There's still more room in there. Let's see. I don't think we'll be able to combine this whole bag of pretzels in there. These are the penny sticks, the pretzel man honey ones from Dollar Tree. We've got those. We've got chicken puffs. These are unopened sweet potato puffs. And these are mixed, but they've got strawberry apple puffs in them too. These are not puffs, but okay. Where's that? Let's see what else. We've got all my metal straws, which I currently don't need because my boyfriend had to buy me a new cup. Because he broke mine, so here's a cup. I'm gonna keep to my new cup because I got the same cup. These are almost gone, so I think I'm gonna mix these in. I'm gonna mix these too because these are almost gone. Message. I didn't read it, so it just came up a number, so I'm assuming it's from Dolls Kill. So get notifications from Dolls Kill. Because I already got my one from my weekly one. I get weekly coupons texted to me from Subway, because for the longest time we were living on Subway and Burger King. When we had like no money, no car. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 things of oatmeal. My favorite, that's my favorite one, the apple cinnamon oatmeal. We have a unopened bag of ketchup chips. We have 3 packs of hot chocolate and then some hot chocolate and cookies and a little bell I got for Christmas at church. We have my cappuccino mix, which is kind of gross. This is caramel. I usually do half caramel cappuccino, half hot chocolate. Unless I have creamer. I don't use creamer. I use the Bailey's Irish creamer. These are so good. These are little maple cookies. Then farmers do that in their bag. Weird, guys. I just had another Ziploc bag. Oh, right here. You're like little maple Oreos. Coraline, no. Sorry, my cat was playing with the cape on one of my Wonder Woman slippers. If me and my boyfriend get a place of our own, I don't know what we're going to do for furniture. I've been thinking about that a lot today. We don't have any display furniture for my stuff. I would let him have a shelf. Because he doesn't have much in way of collections. He's got a couple toys and stuff that I bought him. His pop collection. And he started a Mountain Dew can collection of the game. There's a Kickstart. There's a rain can. There's a Mountain Dew Black Label. There's a Rip It can. And there's another rain can. There's 2 different colors. Blue and purple and orange and purple. And there's the Game Fuel. There's a green one, an orange one, and a blue one. We have a box of cereal that I bought for work because I work at a daycare or at a church on Sundays. We have my lemon juice. Because lemon and honey is really good to you when you're sick. We have my honey for my tea. We have my buttermint tea. We have 2 jars of peanut butter that quite frankly cannot be combined. We have Nutella that's almost gone and cookie butter. I wasn't a huge fan of the cookie butter. Oh, we have a bag of Hangry Fix candy mix. These are disgusting. I got them on sale at, I want to say after Christmas from Target. There's little, they smell kind of like bubble gum, but they're not. Little French fries. These can get combined. There's hamburgers, which are not as good as Krabby Patties. And then there's these god-awful Coke bottles. I don't know why they smell like damn juicy fruit. Because they're disgusting. They do not taste like juicy fruit whatsoever. Here's my extra straw, which can go in there. I took the rubber thing off, didn't like the rubber thing. We have a bag of Lay's. These are just the baked ones, because they're better for you, the plain ones. We have my sunflower seeds. Not the ones I usually get. I usually get the ranch ones. Oh. That's good to know. I have some roasted edamames left still. I have some jelly, strawberry jelly, and some tea bags. These are regular mint ones, which I can just throw in this box. These buttermint ones. They're the Celestial Seasoning peppermint ones. The ones that come out for Christmas. We have 2 open bags of all dressed Canadian chips. Those can be combined. Into one bag. That saves us some more room. They've become my new favorite chips. We have my Goya guava wafers. You guys have probably had like regular wafers. They come in pink or vanilla, strawberry, vanilla, or chocolate. Those, if you go to, sorry guys, my cat. Come on. If you go to, sorry guys, I'm just grabbing my drink. If you go to the Asian, the culture, international food section, they're in the Mexican section. The different flavors, that's my favorite. They're less than $1. I don't get them very often. We have box and go. Because these can probably be mixed in with something else. Because these are almost gone. They're cheese crackers, aka generic Cheez-Its. I don't know if I really have anything I can mix these in with. I might need to put them in here. So you don't take up a whole crap ton of room. Okay, good enough. We saved most of them. Okay, so those are mixed in. That's garbage. We have pretzel chocolate Pop-Tarts, which is on the box. There's only two packs of those left. We have my trail mix, which I'm going to put my edamame beans in. This is mountain trail mix with raisins, M&M's, milk chocolate candies, aka raisin, M&M's, almonds, and cashews. And I'm going to throw my edamame beans in there. Okay. We have this big bag of there's 10 different kinds of cereal. It's got Unikitty cereal in it. It's got whatever the bag says. Berry Colossal Crunch. It's got generic Golden Grams in there. It's got Overwatch cereal. And I don't know what else. I think it's that. That big thing of cereal. We've got some honey barbecue Frito twists, which I didn't had. And we've got all my bread, which can all be combined. Yeah, about that. Okay, I gotta go through this bread because this looks moldy. See what's savable in here and what's not. That's good. It looks like some of this bread might be savable. Most of it is not. So let's see. Guess I'm gonna have to buy bread. Nope, I don't think any of this bread is don't think any of this bread is savable, guys. So that's all gotta go. So I definitely need bread. Because I'm down to like 2 slices. And whatever. This is just the ends of the apple bread. That can go. Apple swirl bread. I still have a lot of the, I'm out of the cranberry bread apparently, but I do have the cinnamon left. Okay, so now to organize this. Put all the cereal together. I might be able to put my drinks back up there. Cereal, breakfast bread, Pop-Tarts, and oatmeal. All my breakfast food. Next, we'll do all the chippies. Chips and other snackies. Chips, pretzels, twists, all the other random snacky snacks. Can go up there. I'll put my boyfriend stuff on top of his kids' stuff. More random snacky snacks. Then we'll do the bread and bread-related condiments. Peanut butter, the jelly, the Nutella, the other butter, cookie butter. Then we'll do the teas, the hot chocolate, the lemon juice, the cappuccino, the honey. Then we'll do all the candies and cookies and crap. And the shelf is honestly half empty at this point. So I probably could put some smaller drinks up there. My lemon lime, my lemon soda. Put my lemon soda up there. Put my Sprite up there. We can put my Weiss brand ice and my Sobe water, even though lately I've been addicted to the pink what do you call it? Vitamin water. And I've gotten my girlfriend's brother addicted to. What else do I have for drinks? We can put my apple soda up there. What else do I have down here? I have a gallon of water. I can try and combine these 2 gallons of water. Cause I literally have 2 gallons of water. Plus I've got 2 gallons of like the water. I've got a Crystal Glaciers from Dollar Tree, and then I have this Pure Aqua spring water from Walmart. Was it Walmart? Sorry, from Aldi's. I usually get Poland Spring. And I have a big jar of, or Weiss water. So I have a big thing of Weiss water. One of the big ones with the spout on them. So I should be able to get these almost combined. And then I have, shove in the back, I have Stress Relief, Arizona tea. Is it Arizona? Yeah. Stress Relief Arizona tea. My favorite Arizona teas are the Stress Relief, the Peach, and the Arnold Palmer. And then I have half a gallon of nasty Hawaiian fruit punch, but I needed something cheap. There's a random hanger back there, I don't know why. But I needed something cheap, so I got that. And that's kind of gross. I was never a big, sorry about my cat, guys. I was never a big fruit punch fan as a kid. I'm very picky about my fruit punch. And I wasn't really allowed to drink fruit punch. I mean, occasionally my mom, once in a blue moon, would buy me like Kool-Aid jammers. Even for like birthdays and stuff. It was typically always Sprite. Mom was big into Sprite and what do you call it? You know, 7-Up, because they were clear, and ginger ale, because ginger's really good for you. Especially when you're throwing up or whatever, ginger ale is really good for you. So yeah, that was our thing. We did a lot of Sprite and stuff growing up. We didn't do, I mean, occasionally we would have like root beer and stuff. Because my brother loved IBC root beer, which I think is gross. But we would do like root beer and stuff for holidays and whatever. Because my mom found it one time at Dollar Tree. I mean, and then they took me to, ew. Yeah, that's gotta go. To, A&W for the first time, and I tried A&W root beer, and I've been obsessed with that ever since. But this video is getting really long, guys, so I'm gonna go, and I will catch you on the flip side. Bye, guys.